Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this USB microphone by a company named Blue, and it's called the Snowball iCE. Plug and play USB microphone. All right, Discord certified. This is gonna use this in another channel idea I just came up with. Here's the packaging. All right, let's do this. All right, so here's the microphone. Then in here, let's see. All right, cool little tripod. Let me spin the tripod instead. Manual. Then looks like, what is this, mini USB on one end to plug into the mic. Yep. And then plug and play USB into your laptop. So yeah, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video of this Snowball iCE by Blue microphone, and hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.